Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, we went from a polar vortex to a tropical heat wave. So what does one do when they live in the frozen tundra like I do, and we nearly have a 100-degree temperature change? We sit there and we grab our Instapots, and we sit there and we make sweet southern iced tea. So grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because we are having one hell of a winter here. Now, if you remembered in my last video, I showed you that we had a wind chill of 46 below zero. Well, we almost have a 100-degree difference. So we're having one hell of a tropical heat wave, and it's time to sit there and make us some southern tea. So let's go ahead, remove our Instapot covers. Now you're gonna sit there and need 16 cups of water. So I'm gonna quick add my 16 cups of water that we need. And here's the last of our 16 cups of water, which almost brings us right up to the max line, but not quite. Now, I have 2 family size tea bags. Go ahead, add them to this. Now, I also like adding my sugar to this as it is pressure cooking, so it all gets dissolved real good. It makes like a nice little syrup, and that we would need 1.5 cups to 2 cups of sugar. So let's go ahead and I'm just gonna sit there and put just faintly over 1 cup of sugar, maybe 1 cup and 1/4. Now let's go ahead, put our covers back on, make sure that we have this in the closed position. Now we're gonna come down here to manual. We're gonna set the time for 4 minutes. We're going to allow it to build the pressure up on the inside, and as soon as it builds up the pressure on the inside, it will then do the countdown of 4 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to do a quick release. The Instapot now just sounded off. We're going to come up here and we're going to do a quick release. Does it smell like sweet tea? Now, as soon as it releases all of its pressure, I have a sieve here. I'm going to grab the 2 tea bags, and we're going to sit there and take them out right away. And then we're just going to sit there and allow all the tea to come up to room temperature, and then we can sit there and bottle it up and put it in the fridge and drink it up as need be. Now, as soon as all the pressure has released, we're going to open it up. Remember, open it away from you. That way we do not get no steam burns. There, I removed one of the tea bags. And here's the other tea bag. Now, we're just gonna let them drip down into our measuring cup. We're gonna allow this to come to room temperature, and I'm gonna strain it because, as you see along the sides here, some of the tea leaves and stuff have came out of the tea bags, and I don't want that stuff floating around in my tea, so I'm gonna sit there and strain it through a coffee filter before I put it in my container. Now, I showed you how easy it is to sit there and make sweet southern iced tea all in our Instapots. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up, leave a comment. I love hearing what each and every one of you all have to sit there and say. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time we here at Teasers Pleasers put out a new video. Now, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? Oh yeah. Have a great day, everybody.